Hello everyone. There are three settings on iPhone that could make Face ID unlock even if it's not looking at you. That means that anyone who grabs your phone when you're sleeping or not looking can unlock your device without you even knowing about it. So let's learn how we can prevent this from happening and make your device more secure than before. First thing is attention awareness. So you need to go to settings, scroll down and find Face ID and passcode. Here you need to scroll down and here you will find attention aware features. So you want to enable this. Basically, this feature makes the iPhone unlock only when your eyes are actually looking at the screen. If it's off, everyone can unlock your device if they are near you. Second thing is require attention for Face ID. It prevents Face ID from unlocking if you are distracted or if someone is making you look at the screen. Third thing is Face ID with mask. So this feature is useful when you are wearing a mask, but if you are not wearing a mask often, it's better to turn it off because you will decrease a chance of someone unlocking it. Basically, that's it. They are settings placed on iPhone by default, and it can help a lot when someone wants to steal your or use your phone against your will. Basically, this can help to stop them in doing that, and it will unlock only when you are looking at your phone and when you are using it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.